Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this easy, natural, everyday makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I primed my face using my Smashbox primerizer. And it's super hydrating and I feel like it really does a great job at making my makeup look good. So for foundation, I used my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I've just found that this foundation holds up the best for me out of any of the foundations I own. And it has such a natural finish, but it is full coverage. So that's what I love the most about this foundation. And I just went in with a beauty sponge just to really make sure that there's no lines on my face and that it just melts right in. Next, I used the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I used a darker shade just to contour out the hollows of my cheeks, my nose, and my jawline. And I found that this concealer blended out really nicely, and I really liked it. And I just blended that out with my damp beauty sponge, and pretty much my sponge had the leftover foundation on it, so it helped to really blend that into the skin. And then I used the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Nude to conceal my under eyes and just brighten up the center of my face. And I used my damp beauty sponge once again to blend that out. And then to set that in place, I used my Maybelline loose powder. And I just set underneath my eyes and my entire face with this powder. I highly recommend it. It's a drugstore powder, so it's really affordable, and I feel like it compares to the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I went in with the Balm Mary Duminizer, and I just used that to highlight my cheekbones. As you can see, it's a really gorgeous champagne color, and it blends out pretty easily. So I just put that on my cheekbones. And I used my beauty sponge once again just to really melt that into the skin. And then to highlight the cheekbones, I used my Violet Boss Coconut Cream Pop Loose Highlighter. And I absolutely love this highlighter. I don't really show it a lot on camera, but I wear it all the time off camera. So I thought I would show it to you guys. It's a really beautiful champagne gold shade. To contour, I used the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I just contoured my cheekbones, my jawline, and underneath my nose. Pretty much all the areas that I went in with the cream contour. For my blush, I used the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Highlighter in the shade Rosemantic. So it's actually a highlighter, but I used it as a blush, and I thought it was really beautiful. I used it on the apples of my cheeks and all the areas that the sun would naturally hit. And yeah, it gave a really nice rosiness to my cheeks. And for lip gloss, I used the Dose of Colors Can You Not lip gloss. And I topped it off with the Chloe Murillo Pixie Gloss. And then to set my face, I used the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.